Ferb, I don't know what we're gonna do today.
Phineas, Ferb, Grandma has to get dialysis treatment. Dialysis is a treatment that helps when people's kidneys are failing. Grandma needs a video to help her understand what dialysis is. Can you guys do that?
Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna help Grandma.
How are we gonna do that?
First, we need to know what happens when your body doesn't function correctly. It can lead to fatigue, upset stomach or vomiting, confusion, swelling around hands or ankles, going to the bathroom a lot, muscle spasms, dry or itchy skin, and poor appetite. The muscles will lose function and your body can go into a coma and losing control of your arms and legs because of muscle loss.
Whatever, boys.
First, we need to know about all the different types of dialysis treatments. First is hemodialysis. This process of dialysis requires a machine and a special filter called a dialyzer. It can be done in a hospital or a dialysis facility and is normally through the arm. This normally lasts between 3 and 5 hours, about 3 to 4 days a week. Another type of dialysis treatment is peritoneal dialysis. It is a way to remove waste products from your blood when your kidneys can't. It can process using your belly and a natural filter, and it can also be done at home.
Hey Phineas, what you doing?
Learned that our grandma has to have dialysis treatments. We're figuring out a way to help her.
Cool, can I help?
Okay, let's get started. Isabella, I'm gonna need you to do some research.
Okay, here's what I found. One dialysis treatment is a continuous renal replacement therapy and it is abbreviated CRRT. It is done 24 hours a day to slowly and clean out waste products and fluid from a patient. A patient can survive 6 days after the treatment and this survival is based off of a correctable problem. Cell wastes are formed by a product of cellular respiration. The waste is removed by dialysis and filtering through the membrane.
Good information. Okay, Ferb, can you help me get started? Did you find anything, Ferb?
Yes, there is a type of peritoneal dialysis called CAPD, which stands for continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis. It is a machine-free treatment where you put 2 quarts of cleansing fluid into your stomach, then drain it. You connect a plastic bag to your stomach to drain the waste from the blood, and it's done in 3 or 4 times in a 24-hour time period, which can take up to 30 to 40 minutes. You can also do this during mealtime or at bedtime.
Great job, Ferb. Hey, where's Perry?
Perry the Platypus. Well, I suppose I should tell you about my evil plan. You see that machine over there? I call it the diffusionator, and I'm going to use it to destroy the world. You see, my grandma died from kidney failure and not having the right type of dialysis. And by using this machine, I can use the products of diffusion, osmosis, and the different cell solutions to destroy the world. Diffusion is the movement of small molecules across a cell membrane, and it moves from an area of high concentration to low concentration. Osmosis is the diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane. And guess what, Perry the Platypus? A cell can go through 3 different types of solutions.
Dad, are you doing evil stuff again?
No, Vanessa, I'm telling Perry about the diffusionator and about the hypertonic, hypotonic, and isotonic solutions.
Oh, I can talk about that. When a cell is in a hypertonic situation, the net movement is outside the cell and has a high concentration and a high solute. The cell begins to shrink and shrivel up, that is called plasmolysis. In a hypertonic situation, the net movement is inside the cell and has a low concentration and a low solute. The cell begins to fill up and can explode, called cytolysis. In an isotonic situation, the cell has an equal rate of water movement and has the same concentration of water. The dialysis solution for this dialysis treatment is mainly an isotonic solution. It is an isotonic to keep the person safe and prevent the red blood cells from being destroyed.
Alright, thank you, Vanessa. Now, Perry the Platypus, come over here and let me show you what these eggs can do in different types of situations. And these 3 eggs will be representing our cells. Okay, so for our first egg, we'll be using a hypertonic solution as corn syrup. All right, Vanessa, could you please pour in our hypotonic solution of water? And our final solution, which is our isotonic, will be vinegar. And now we'll be placing each of our eggs in the solutions. And now we will wait 24 hours to see our results. All right, it has been 24 hours. Now Vanessa, crack the first 2 eggs.
Now Noah will crack the 3rd egg.
So the purpose of this experiment was to show that the isotonic is mostly used for dialysis treatments. In dialysis treatments, the isotonic solution is supposed to expand the volume of the patient's blood, but not move the solvent from the vein to the tissue. The hypotonic solution is used when a patient needs to get the fluid into their cells. And the hypertonic solution is given when they have a lot of solvent in their tissues that they need to get back into their veins.
What are you guys building?
Hey, you're back. We're building a machine to help Grandma. Do you want to help us finish it?
No, you guys are so busted. Mom!
All right, we finished.
Now we can help Grandma.
Oh, the diffusionator's ready. Time to destroy the world. Curse you, carry the platypus.
We're finished. Now we can help Grandma.
Oh no, our machine has been destroyed.
Where did the machine go? It was right here. Mom, I swear.
Even though we lost our machine, I still think Grandma learned more about dialysis treatments.
I agree.